I'm Anil Kumar sharing with you a question from previous test paper. The question here is, given f of x equals to x squared plus 5x minus 14, what value of x makes f of x equals to 10? Well, that could be one part, and we could say what value will make f of x equals to minus 20, right? And we also have another question saying what will make it to 0. So these three parts you can try for the given equation. So let's do them one by one. When I say f of x is 10, that means I'll place 10 here, find the value of x. That's the question is. So we get 10 equals to x squared plus 5x minus 14. Taking 10 to the right side, we get x squared plus 5x minus 14 minus 10, and that is 0 equals to x squared plus 5x minus 24. And now you can use quadratic formula or you can factor. We know 8 times 3 is 24, so we could factor this as x plus 8 and minus 3. We need negative product, sum of 5, so x minus 3, and that gives you two solutions. X is either equals to minus 8 or x is equals to 3, right? So we get the solution right there. So this is the solution for the first part. Now we can do the second part also, which is, let me just change this. Okay, let's do it. So in the second part we have 20 minus, so we could write the same equation. Minus 20 equals to x squared plus 5x minus 14, bringing it to that side. 0 equals to x squared plus 5x minus 14 plus 20, and that is 0 equals to x squared plus 5x plus 6, right? And that is 0 equals to x squared, now we could factor, right? So 6 is 3 times 2, so we get plus 3 times x plus 2, and that gives you solutions as x equals to minus 3 or x equals to minus 2. Perfect. So that is the second solution. So this one is for 20. Now shall we do for 0 also, or should I leave it for you? Okay, let me just quickly do it for you. So f of x is 0, that means 0 equals to x squared plus 5x minus 14, which is x, and 14 is 7 times 2, right? 7 positive, 2 negative. And that gives you x equals to minus 7 or x equals to 2. So that is the solution. So that's the solution for x equals to f of x equals to 0, right? So likewise, we could solve such equations. We could solve for x when we know what f of x is. Now, all the time you may not be getting values which are factorable as we had. Now what I'll like you to do is take up a value in between these. So if f of x is, let us say, 15, find x. So that is the question for you to do. You can at times use the quadratic formula where x is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. You may be required to use this formula at times. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. If you like my process of doing things, you can put some likes, share and subscribe my videos, and feel free to post questions. Thank you and all the best.